Folks, welcome into another video with North Georgia Replacement Windows. We have something really exciting to share with you today. We have already installed the very first one-of-one Infinity from Marvin Outswing French door. We are here in Alpharetta, Georgia on a beautiful day in the Lake Windward community. This is a house we've been working on for quite some time now, so it's already actually displaying quite a few Infinity from Marvin units. But come check out this new Outswing door from Infinity from Marvin. I think you'll really like the specs on it. All right, folks, so here it is. This is the first Infinity from Marvin fiberglass Outswing door. This is a phenomenal product. I mean, just look how beautiful it is. It's nice, it's tall. You get so much glass out of it. Now, for many years, Infinity's has offered doors. In-swing doors, sliding doors, bifold doors are pretty new to them as well. But Outswing, right? Marvin is a northern company. Outswing doors don't make very much sense for them because you got to think, let's just fast forward to December and we got snow about this high in Michigan, right? We're in Georgia, so we don't know what snow this high looks like. And you have this door. Well, if you have snow this high, this door is not going to go very far, right? So for a northern company like Marvin and Infinity, in-swing doors make the most sense. Well, in Georgia, outswing doors make a lot of sense to us because we're not really focused on that amount of snow. What we're really focused on is a lot of wind, right? So we're in Alpharetta, Georgia right now. If you look at a map, Alpharetta, Georgia is pretty north Georgia. We do a lot of work in Jasper, Blue Ridge, Dahlonega. These are very high elevated areas that are going to get a lot of mountain driven wind right at this door. Now think about that. If I'm getting a lot of wind on this door, this is going to actually pull all your seals tighter to the frame, and you're going to get something much more energy efficient. Now, speaking of that, check this out. Rebecca, if you want to come a little closer, this door has a multi-point locking mechanism. So you see this? This is incorporated in the edge of this door. How simple is this? Locked, unlocked. Now, this feature here, you're locking your door in 4 places. Okay, obviously you can see these 2 right here. And then if you go all the way to the top, you can see a pin at the top. Let me pull down on that so you can see it disengaged, re-engaged, and you're going to see one down here at the bottom. All right, so now let's think about this. We're going to shut this door. Bam, we're going to lock it in those 4 points. 1, 2, 3, 4. And now you have those pins holding this door very close to the frame. Now, what I like about this, I call this a true French door. Right? What does a true French door mean? Well, most people are used to, well, this is my active panel, right? And my passive panel, I'm going to have a lever right here and a lever right here. Well, check this out. We just use the handle, which is also called a lever, and it flips right in. So bam, there's your opening right there. If you want to close it, you'll bring this one right back in. You'll flip up that lever so we don't have those little pins. So that, uses all that. And then you close this one. And there's your outswing door. What a phenomenal product from Infinity. We are so thankful for it. We have struggled with our outswing doors, and this really solves so many issues for our customers. I mean, you can see the view that they have. This is what it's all about. More daylight, bigger views. People think, well, what does that mean? We want to capitalize on your view, your golf course view, your lake view, your mountain view. And the Infinity from Marvin and this new Infinity from Marvin fiberglass outswing door is the perfect solution for us. If you're in the Atlanta area or if you're in the southern region where you're getting a lot of heat and a lot of rain and it's just kind of hot and cold, you need to look at the Infinity fiberglass material before you make your decision on your windows and doors. I think you'll be really impressed and blown away with the specs and the features and the glass that this material has to offer you.